everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinida. Also today we are learning the problems using trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here the question is question number 1. If tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degree, A greater than B. Find A and B. We have to find out the value of A and B. So here there is given the value of A plus B will be in between 0 degree and 90 degree, and it is not 0 degree and maybe it can 90 degree. So tan A plus B equal to root 3. So root 3, where we will get for tan from the table, tan 60 degree will be root 3. So we can write tan A plus B equal to root 3. That means tan A plus B equal to root 3 we are getting from tan 60 degree. So tan A plus B equal to tan 60 degree. So what is A plus B? A plus B equal to 60 degree. We can mark this as equation number 1. The next thing it is given, tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. So from where we will get 1 by root 3? For tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. So we can write tan A minus B equal to tan 30 degree. So A minus B equal to 30 degree. We can consider this as equation number 2. Then when we are solving equation number 1 and 2, A plus B equal to 60 degree, A minus B equal to 30 degree. When we are solving this one, plus B and minus B, we can cancel. A plus A, we are adding equation number 1 and 2. A plus A will be 2A equal to 90 degree. So A equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that means 45 degree. Then substitute the value of A in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I am choosing equation number 1. Substitute the value of A equal to 45 degree in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is A plus B equal to 60 degree. So we are putting the value of A 45 degree plus B equal to 60 degree. So B equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. So B we will get 15 degree. So the value of A, it is 45 degree, B it is 15 degree, and it is satisfied the given condition. A should be greater than B. So A equal to 45 degree, B equal to 15 degree. So the values of A and B are 45 degree and 15 degree. Now question number 2. Question number 2, it is state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Here the question is question number 1. Sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. So in the place of A and B, just I am going to substitute the value of 30 and 60. So A I am considering as 30 degree, B it is 60 degree. Then we can check sin 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to, we have to know that sine 30 degree plus 60 degree what? That is sine 90 degree equal to sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. So sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree will be sine 90 degree equal to sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. So what is sine 90 degree? Sine 90 degree we have 1. So sine 90 degree we can give, it is 1 equal to sine 30 degree, it is 1 by 2, and sine 60 degree it is root 3 by 2. So we can substitute the values. Sine 30 degree it is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 degree it is root 3 by 2. So when we are adding that, 1 equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So the statement, the given statement is false. Sin A plus B not equal to sin A plus sin B. So the given statement is false. Now question number 2. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So the values of sin theta we can find out. Sin 0 it is 0. Then the next values sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree from the chart we will get 1 by 2. That means 0.5. Then sin 45 degree it is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 when we are doing you will get 0.707. From there itself we can find out it is increasing. When the values of theta increasing, the value it is increasing itself. So we can find out one more sin 60 degree. That means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 when we are doing we will get 0.88. Then the last sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree the value is 1. That means when theta increases the values of sin theta is increasing. So the statement is true. Now question number 3. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. It's like before. So cos theta we can give the values one by one. Cos 0 means 1. The next is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree it is root 3 by 2 means 0.8. Then cos 45 degree it is 1 by root 2. That means 0.70. So from there itself we can find out it is decreasing. When theta increasing, the value of the angles it is increasing. Cos theta it is decreasing. We can find out the statement is false. When cos theta increases, theta will not, when theta increases, cos theta will not increase, it will decrease. Now question number 4. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So first of all, we can put sin 0 equal to cos 0 or not. Sin 0 it is 1, cos 0. Sin 0 it is 0, cos 0 it is 1. Sin 30 it is 1 by 2, cos 30 it is root 3 by 2. Only in the case of sin 45 and cos 45 it is getting same. In all the other cases it is different. That means The given statement is false. Now, question number 5. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Cot A means we can write it is the opposite or inverse of tan A. Cot A equal to cos A by sin A. Here given the value of A equal to 0. So, cot 0 equal to cos 0 by sin 0. Cos 0 we have 1, sin 0 we have 0. So, cos 0 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 it is undefined. That means it is not defined. So the given statement cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree is a true statement. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.